been more than a week now since that big blizzard, and workers in the city of Madison are still busy removing snow.
Plenty of it out there yet. Stephen Pope shows us how some streets in Madison are still very tricky to drive down.
Everybody is still being affected by the snow in one way or another. For neighborhoods in East Madison, they're still dealing with single-lane roads.
Our street was one of the later ones to get plowed. It was rough to get the car out of the driveway.
They're not exactly easy to drive down, are they?
No, they're not. Basically, without clearing the roads, you got one lane and you're trying to get two cars to go through, and it's just not working. And they pile them up so high you can't really see as you're going around corners.
The city is working on cleaning up the roads and widening the streets in the east part of Madison, but it sometimes is a juggling process to get the cars off the road so they can get the plows through. So while you're starting to see signs like this pop up, just make sure you abide by them so your car doesn't get towed.
I think it'll take a lot longer. Basically, with the emergency parking, you can only park on one side. You can only get one side cleared. The other side's not cleared, so we'll see. I just hope they do their best.
The city told us it would take 2 to 3 weeks to finish cleaning up from this blizzard, and residents have kept positive attitudes about it.
It's reasonable that it's a lot of snow, and I guess it should take a long time to do it right. It's still taking a while.
Crews are working on removing snow around bus stops and should be finished by tomorrow. But for riders like Brianna, Reno, who have to wait out in the middle of the road to hitch a ride,
frustrated because it's too cold to be waiting and the buses take too long to come.
Do you think the snow's slowing them down?
Yeah, it is. The streets are still bad.
In Madison, Stephen Pope, 27 News.
City workers are going to get a little help, though, from Mother Nature as far as snow removal. The upcoming warm-up should help melt a lot of those big piles out there.